Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching hardware. If your headphones use a Lightning digital output, you need an adapter that exposes a USB audio device or provides an analog DAC. Once you have a certified Lightning to USB audio adapter or a Lightning to 3.5mm DAC that can plug into your laptop, make sure your laptop's OS and audio drivers are up to date. Do this now. It prevents driver conflicts. You'll save time later because the adapter is the bridge that makes the Lightning headset visible to the computer. Once done, plug the Lightning headphones into the adapter, then connect the adapter to your laptop's USB port. Next, open your operating system's sound preferences and look for new USB audio device or the adapter's name. Select it as the output. If the system asks to install drivers, accept and restart the audio service or the laptop. Make sure sample rate is set to 44.1 or 48 kHz for general compatibility. This avoids crackling and ensures voice and music play correctly. You finish by testing playback and, if present, the mic in a media player or a web call. Adjust both laptop and app volume to confirm. If nothing happens, reseat every connection, try another USB port, or use a powered USB hub. Sometimes the adapter needs more power. If that fails, test the adapter and headphones on a phone to determine whether the adapter, cable, or the headset is faulty. That single test quickly isolates the problem and points you to the right fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.